My name is Manny Rojas, and I've been in the international moving and storage industry for the last 30 years. Today I'm going to talk to you about insurance policies and how they affect your move overseas. When moving overseas, you have three different types of policies you can take: release liability, total loss, and all risk. I'm going to go into detail on all three. First type of insurance that you should be offered is release liability. Now, this is a free policy most of the time offered by the mover. It only covers 60 cents per pound per article, or a maximum of $2,000. It is your basic type of coverage and doesn't offer a lot of protection against any sort of loss or damage. The next type of policy that they can offer you is a total loss policy. With a total loss policy, it's usually done for a lump sum amount that you will give the mover. The policy will only cover the total loss of the shipment, and it's called a named perils policy. So that means specific items will cause the policy to come into effect and your claim to be paid. You will not be covered against individual loss or damages of pieces. It is a total loss policy only. So your last option would be an all-risk policy. An all-risk policy will cover your items against loss, damage, chipping, breaking, things that happen during the process of an international move. In order for the policy to be placed, you need to complete and return a valued inventory. The inventory will go through the contents in your house and you assign a value to it. The option to avoid having to fill out that form is to have a weight factor applied to it. The weight factor that we use here at One Relo is $10.50 per pound per article. That will give you a dollar amount, which the premium would then be based against that. Now, as with most policies, an all-risk policy has exclusions. Some of the exclusions that are in the policy would be sets and pairs, which, for example, is if you have a dining room table with 6 chairs and one of the chairs is damaged, they'll replace or repair that one piece. They will not repair or they will not replace the entire set. You also have other limitations, such as items of high value have to be either noted on a separate sheet and given to the insurance carrier, items, let's say, over $1,500, or items of extremely high value, anything over $10,000, would need to be approved by the actual insurance carrier. Have a time limit for you to file the claim. So when you receive your goods, make sure to check them right away. Note on the delivery documents any damages that you see that are visible. You can always add to them after the fact, but you do have to note them. Do not dispose of any of the items. Take pictures of them and submit your claim in writing right away to the insurance carrier. Your mover should have given you a policy, and the policy has instructions on how to do that. I would be happy to send you a copy of our application so you can review it and ask any questions you have. I hope this has been informative. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at manny@onerelo.com.